In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI video in InVideo using your own script. We'll move from a blank dashboard to a fully generated video in just a few clicks, keeping things simple, clear, and fast so you can follow along without any confusion. Start by heading to InVideo in your web browser. Once you're on the platform, look for the option to create a new AI video. This is usually easy to spot on the main dashboard or in the top area of the interface. Click on Create New AI Video to open the AI project setup. This is the starting point where InVideo will guide the rest of the process for you. Next, choose the option labeled Use My Script. This tells InVideo that you already have your words ready and want the AI to handle visuals, timing, and voiceover based on what you provide. If you've prepared your script beforehand, keep it handy in a document so you can copy and paste it quickly. It's a good idea to check that your script is clean and clear. Simple sentences, sensible paragraph breaks, and no extra characters or formatting that might confuse the system. Now paste your script into the text field. Take a moment to scan it inside the editor. Make sure everything looks correct, including punctuation and spacing. If your script includes cues such as short pauses or headings, keep them concise so the AI can interpret them smoothly. When it looks good, you're ready to lock it in. Click on Proceed. This step confirms your script and moves you into the generation stage. Think of it as telling the system, yes, this is the final text, go ahead. After that, click on Generate Video. InVideo will now analyze your script and automatically assemble visuals, a voiceover, and timing to match your content. You don't need to adjust anything at this point. The goal here is to let the AI produce a first version with no extra configuration. Now wait for generation. You'll see a progress indicator, and the wait time can vary depending on the length of your script and the complexity of your content. Keep the tab open and avoid refreshing the page while it's working. A stable connection helps the process run smoothly. Once the generation completes, you're done. Your AI video is ready to play. Hit the preview, watch it through, and celebrate. You've created a complete AI-powered video in InVideo using your own script with just a handful of clicks.